if you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Vrbo subscription, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you want to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or Profile in the menu and click on it to access your subscription details. Step 3. Find subscription details. In your account settings, locate the section that pertains to your subscriptions or listings. This section will provide information about your current subscription plan and its renewal status. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Look for the option to manage your subscription settings. Here, you should find an option to disable auto-renewal. Click on this option and confirm your choice to ensure that your subscription will not renew automatically. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, check for a confirmation message or email from Vrbo indicating that your changes have been saved. It is important to verify that the auto-renewal feature is indeed turned off. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Vrbo subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.